Oh yeah.
The amount of lag is going on crazy too. Dude, do you see how many buffs and debuffs he has on him right now? And, like piercing buffs he had on a second ago. Like there's gotta be what, like 30, 40 people here maybe? 30 people? You should. There's a lot of people sitting over there like healing up. Well, you know what a world boss is now. Anything that you can't like deal damage to, or that looks like you're not dealing damage to.
Wait, is the werewolf supposed to look like it has a weird head?
It's almost dead actually. You're like 25% left. Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming over. I believe.
The amount of people it throws when it does that one move.
I think they're just like throwing themselves at it for hopes of loot without care for their life.
Give me the loot, bitch. I'm gonna laugh if you get like a last hit bonus and you get like the best item.
Oh no. I'm gonna put all my dots on it. My one dot.
I'm gonna save my skills to the end. Make sure you don't die before we get loot.
Oh shit, shit, shit. I can't.
Yes!
Oh!
I don't know. We were all
A
tagging.
field boss in the region has been defeated. I came out. I didn't.
The amount of people just running around.
I didn't get here fast enough.
Oh my god. I got a cube. I got a cube, dude. Did you open it? Did you open your cube yet? Dude, can you sell them? Oh no, it's untradeable. Oh my god, but we got a cube. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna TP back to Clopedia. TP